Hey, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. Hey, listen, this is the end of the month. I'm going through some of my end of the month routines and some of the things with my team, and we're going over some numbers. And what I wanted to do is share with you is just a glimpse of some of the things that are coming to the Digital Growth Hacks Club. And these are some of the things that I'll be going over when I do some of the workshops that I do, and when I have some of the people come in and kind of help me do some of the workshops. But one of the things that I do is I ran some ads in December. Sorry about that. This is December. I ran some ads and I ran them on my real estate business, right? Those are the ones that if I do a real estate deal, those are the ones that just cover themselves with ads like 10 times over. So I always run ads, a lot of them with my real estate business, and I have an investment business as well. But one of the things I wanted to share with you, this is just a tip. This is not I'm going to share a tool with you that I use. I use 3 different tools. I'll share with you at least one more tool that I use. But this is the export. I pulled down all these numbers from Facebook, and one of the things I want to concentrate with you on today is your cost per click. Now, this first one is an anomaly, sure, but it was $1 per click. But really what you want to do is you want to average at least what a stamp costs you, or at least half of what a stamp costs you, as a rule of thumb, as you become better at it. A stamp is about 53 cents right now. And you don't want to have any cost per click to be more than what it would be for a stamp. This particular one, I got 3 clicks in here and it was 34 cents. This is a good telltale sign here. One of the things I did is, what you do is you run your ads and you run a test, right? 2 to 3 weeks. You don't run it at a large clip. You do incremental changes. Don't run no more than $5 or $10 a day. And then you come back and you assess. At the end of every day, you come back and assess. At the end of every week, you assess. And you make minor tweaks, right? And you try to address what it is you're trying to address, and you change your ad set. So I wanted to give you that. And I'll go into more detail about the Facebook stuff a little bit later, as I'm certified in Facebook marketing and all of that. But what I wanted to do was I wanted to tell you, just in case, you might want to click and subscribe as well. But I want to show you one other tool that I actually use, that I put this ad set together with. So normally when you run different ads, I use about 4 different tools. There's nothing that I do that I don't use and analyze with different tools and run them against other tools as well. So this is one tool. I think this is Rytr, right? It's called Rytr. This is an AI writing tool, artificial intelligence. You feed it with data and it spits data back out to you and help you with your ad copy. One of the things I like about Rytr, and I have all of them. I have Closer Copy, right? I have Copysmith. I have Write right? I have Copysmith, have Rytr Zen. I have Longshot. I have PepperType. I have all of the AI writing tools. But let me tell you what's the power in Rytr. And Rytr, for one, it's inexpensive. I think it's going to be around at least for another 2 days, at least 24 hours, at least through the beginning of the year, at least one more day. You should find a link in the description below if you wanted to go ahead and pick that up and at least buy me a cup of coffee from giving you this one tip. Rytr does something that I think all of them do different things. All of them have a different twist to them, which is the reason why I have so many of them. But let me tell you what Rytr does and what I love about Rytr. Rytr, you get in and get to work right away. A lot of the other ones, you have to set them up and you have to add different things, and you have to add, there's about 3 or 4 things you have to do before you can get into writing. This is one that I use for real quick writing. I use PepperType for real quick and doing some metadata and doing some updates to my websites and looking for some different language. You like to use PepperType, and I'll use phrase occasionally. But let me tell you what Rytr is good for and what I love about Rytr. And there's a lot of people who I'm good with Rytr. I'd rather have Closer Copy. I love Closer Copy, and I have that as well. But what Rytr does is, I'm using this for this use case. It's Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn ads. That's what I was writing it for, right? You put your product name in this case is the Curb Appeal app, the app that I created for my real estate investing business. And what you do is I put in here the product description, where investors and real estate and professionals connect via our smart device or phone app. You put in what the product description is, up to 200 words here. I want a couple of variants here. I want to get at least 3 variants here. Let me tell you the power of this, and I've already put a couple of them together for you here that you can see. The power is in your hands. The Conversion.ai app is a revolutionary way to find properties that you want to buy and invest in. I used that as one of my copies, and I mixed it in with another one, and I added my own language, so I had the perfect copy. But this one I just ran. I ran with a funny tone, and it gave me Life is a Journey. Life is a Journey is all about exploring new things and meeting new people. Life's a lot more fun with a side of real estate. That's funny. This is what I love about this tool. It gives you so many variations of how you could write what you're trying to say, right? And I think there's maybe one other tool that does something similar. They don't give you as many. This is powerful. This is why people love Rytr. 2 reasons why. They give you all of these different tones, right? I wonder what Worried does. I haven't used Worried. They give you these different tones, and it's quick to get into. This is one of the quickest tools to get into. It's 2 things. You write your description here, and you write the product name here, and then you hit write for me. And it tells you what your ad copy is. Hey, here's your title, buy a home you'll love. That's the title. And then it says, hey, find your perfect home by using the Conversion.ai app. Though it gets right into the ad copy. That's what people love about Rytr. People keep trying to figure out what do people love about Rytr. You're in and you're out. You're in and you're out, right? So let's look at what Worried got us. So we get 3 variations of Worried. What is Worried going to give us? Let me see. Worried gave us, if the house is right for you, you're looking for an investment property to buy, but you need to find the perfect one. That's where Conversion.ai app comes in. Conversion.ai is a free app that connects investors and real estate professionals. Download the free app today. Get started searching for your dream home. This is value with no illusions. It's not just about the Conversion.ai anymore. I think that was the funny one. I think I had that for funny. Where's We're Worried? If you're looking for a way, great real estate, life is a journey. If you're looking for a way to get, the Conversion.ai app is an innovative way to enhance your home's curb appeal. This is the Worried. Get in touch to learn more about the features of your app, which includes generating reports to show you your home's marketing potential. This thing writes so much good copy. I'm telling you. So this is one of the tools. I put a link in the description below. I think you only have about 24 hours to try to get it, to get this one at this price. I want to say it's $59, if that much, or $39 or $49. It's really inexpensive, but I love this tool. I have them all. I'm going to go through a lot of the different tools, and I'm going to tell you what I like about a lot of the tools. I'm going to actually put in here at the end of this video, I'm going to show you a walkthrough that I did on Rytr, and you'll like that, and you'll see what that does as well. Rytr helps me a lot with my YouTube and some of my blogging that I do for some of my retirement pages and some of my retirement assets that I have online. Again, I always use all these different tools for different reasons. So again, this is Jenny Jones. Please like, click, and subscribe, share with others. I'm going to be bringing a lot of juice in 2022. All right, so you guys need to stay locked in. I'm always going to have different things. Again, today I talked about ads, talked about different tools. I'm going to show you at least 3 more tools that I use for ads coming up. Make sure you subscribe to the VIP. I'm going to be giving away some free stuff in there, some free classes and other things. And if you're trying to grow, take your business to the next level, this is going to be the year. We're going to be bringing it. Hope all is going well. This is Jenny Jones. Enjoy your new year. Take care and goodbye for now.